Diamond and Dye. Edge mornings on 102.1 The Edge, Toronto's alternative.
It's Diamond and Dye with Dr. Peter Bray, who is a plastic surgeon here in Toronto. And because, the World Cup resumes today, we thought, you're laughing because we thought we'd talk about Brazilian butt lifts.
Great topic.
Okay, so what is a Brazilian butt lift?
Well, it's reduce, reuse, and recycle. It's great for the new millennium. It's removing extra fat using gentle liposuction and relocating it to the buttock area for better shape, lifted appearance, and nicer overall proportion.
And people do this?
Big time.
Well, is this because of Kardashians? This is
It's part of that, yeah. People are realizing that curves can be attractive and the celebrity influence is important. Beyonce, Kim Kardashian, Jennifer Lopez. Big shift from the 80s and 90s where everyone wanted to be really thin, angular, and kind of straight looking, and now it's changed a bit.
And this is just women, though, yeah?
No, men too.
Seriously?
What?
Absolutely. Men getting Brazilian butt lifts?
Why?
Sure.
Why?
Well, in men, usually it's someone who's lost a lot of weight and their shape has gone with it. They want to have a bit better proportion, and it's popular with men too.
Because sometimes if I go through a period when I lose weight, I feel like sometimes I can't get my trousers. My trousers don't sit, they kind of fall down, and I end up looking like, the young kids when they have the trousers half around their ass, and it looks really bad, and it's not a good look for me. Do men sometimes do it for more practical reasons like that?
Well, it helps to give the trousers, waistband a little support. I don't know if that's the main priority, but they certainly notice that after. It's a nice benefit. And, people aren't looking to have something so big they can rest a drink on it or anything like that.
But then after you get the Brazilian butt lift, do you have to sit on one of those donuts? How does that work?
Well, that helps. Yeah, for the first couple of weeks, you do have a bit of a sore butt, no question about it. So, minimizing pressure is important, shifting position regularly, and you don't want to be on a 12-hour flight to Dubai or something like that.
And the cost? What's the cost of something like this?
Ballpark would be $8,000 to $10,000.
Oh, my God!
Yeah, so it's more than pocket
is that
change.
Per cheek, or is that for both?
Well, we usually do a 2-for-1.
Wow.
Yeah, the one-sided butt lift isn't popular.
It's not quite so good.
No, it doesn't work.
Okay, so can I ask it's not a personal question. Don't look at me like that, Dominic. I swear to God, it's not personal.
I know Josie's desperate to ask us.
I am. Okay, so I really think when you look at people will be ugly or hot based on their nose. Do you agree?
Nose is important for sure. It's
like really important, right?
Focal points of the face, absolutely.
Okay. Yeah. So I think that a lot of people don't like their nose. Agreed?
Yeah, true.
Okay, got that right. Okay. Is there anything you can do to your nose without having surgery?
For sure.
Yes!
Yep.
Not for me, but for somebody else.
It depends on the type of change. What's become really popular is using injectable fillers. We use injectable fillers to fill up the cheeks and the creases in the face and can use them strategically to add to the nose. So it's adding.
Don't most people want to cut down on the nose?
That's definitely most popular. But for adding and changing shape in certain areas, injectable fillers is the way to go. So it depends on what someone's trying to change.
Okay, right. Let me try and put these two things together. I'm just thinking about guys there, and guys like a bit of comedy value. Would it be possible to put enough filler in your nose so it would look like a butt?
Only one way to find out.
So, because then you'd have like a butt on your nose.
That's
and then
the stupidest question I've ever heard in my entire life.
Listen, guys would love that.
I'm just saying, at least I asked a question that people, they're going to need. Some people don't like their nose.
I'm sorry. Guys at the bar, one of them's got a butt on his nose. My God, that's
this would be a
entertainment.
first. It would be a first.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
There you go. Plastic surgeon Dr. Bray here in the studio.
Diamond and Dye.
Edge mornings.
The Edge.